Extending the functionality of Carveco Maker, Carveco Maker Plus features an expanded toolkit specifically aimed at simplifying 3D relief creation right through to production environments, with an emphasis on speed, repeatability, and material cost savings. Maker Plus expands on the design capabilities of Carveco Maker by introducing 3D design tools into your workflow, helping you extend and diversify the range of products you can offer to your customers. Turn an idea into reality with minimum effort using the Shape Editor, the go-to tool for relief creation within Carveco. Create pre-generated geometric textures or even import an image to transform into a texture, easily smoothing out any model imperfections. You can also apply fades to your relief artwork, create complex weaves, and even freehand sculpt on your model with the included sculpting tools. All of the 3D tools work in real time, giving instant feedback so you know exactly how your model looks prior to committing. With the nesting feature of Maker Plus, large numbers of letters or shapes can be efficiently positioned and cut from one or multiple sheets of material, reducing waste and saving money. You can even nest parts within parts and preserve vector layers, which helps save precious time when selecting what is to be machined. As with Carveco Maker, models are not limited by size, and in Maker Plus, jobs can be split into smaller sections, commonly known as tiling or paneling, which allow you to create designs that are much larger than the CNC table size. The expanded feature set of Maker Plus grants far greater control and customization over your machining process and toolpath generation. From batch calculations and the ability to transform, copy, or merge selected toolpaths, right through to tools such as raised round, texture machining, fluted weaves, and drill bank support, Carveco Maker Plus supports your business output every step of the way.